Higher order. Higher orders can be raised with or without an existing quotation. For this demo, we will take you through the process of raising a higher order for the quotation we have already raised. Search for the existing quotation by giving the following details: the client information, the month, and the year the quotation was raised. Select the quotation. Click on the View Details button to list down the items. The items are displayed in the panel below. The View UOM button will display the available unit of measure for the items selected. These unit of measures comes from the quotation. Equipment Allocation button will populate some of the main data from the quotation to the higher. Information such as the general order details, customer and customer site information, list of equipments for the items selected, and their pricing. Now we move to the General Information tab. Select the order by and sign by person. Move to the panel below. Pick the needed equipment from the grid and click on the Hire Me Now button. This will raise a higher order, and this higher order can be viewed. Also note that the shopping cart indicates the equipment selected. From this list, user can either remove an item or put the item on either on or off hire as per their requirement. Now we will move to the section where we enter details to email the higher order. Add in the header footer text. These details could also be selected from previous higher orders if the details are similar. Edit Update button will save all the information. Select any person from the list below to email the generated higher order and click Send Email to post the email. We will now take a look at the dashboard options. Dashboard will give a quick overview of the higher order. User can perform small modification using a dashboard. They can set the higher orders either to a status on or off, or also extend the hire period if required.